look like I'm in some sort of ruckus and a mess because I am. My room's in a mess, honestly. You guys can see in the background. Actually, in the middle of the room transformation, you guys will be getting a video really soon. So, currently it is almost 6:20 p.m. I woke up at around 7. I gave food to Sky, then I couldn't get back to sleep. So one video I watched one video on YouTube, and then at around 8 or 9 a.m. in the morning, I went back to sleep. Then I woke up at around 12 p.m. with a really bad headache and with an empty stomach. I was so hungry, but because of my headache, I went back to sleep, tried back to sleep. And then I woke up at around 2 p.m. with like with the worst headache ever. So I, like got myself up. I had breakfast, and then I had cheese macaroni as well, and then I had medicine because I couldn't bear, the pain. Then I had a whole mug of water because I thought, like water is another way you can, like get rid of the headache. It wasn't getting better, but at around 5 p.m., my headache got a little better. So, like I uploaded a YouTube video as well. I worked really hard on the Green Festival YouTube video. Please go and check that out. I really, really worked hard on it. I uploaded that video, and I initially had the plan to go and buy the dressing table and the stool today, but there are some news of road blockage or something like that. मेरे ख्याल से किसी जलसे की वजह से, but I'm not sure about that. So as soon as my father comes, I think I will go and look for the furniture. I just have to make paintings. I really, really want to. I'm really excited to make new canvases and new paintings. Theme and vision in my mind. I'm so excited for that. So maybe today I'll do some painting as well. After 7 p.m., I am going to go out maybe by walk to the market. I really want you sheets to cover these two racks pink now, so I have to get sheets first. Maybe sticker sheets or normal sheets or glued sheets or table sheets. I don't know whatever I will find. I will try to find it first. So yeah, that is the main plan. Okay, you all, a quick change of plan. It is currently 7:40 p.m. I just had my dinner. I am feeling better, and also I had a big mug of water as well, so I am feeling great. The changed plan is that first I'm going to go to the market and get the sheets for my furniture, and then I am going to go to like the shop or the store and maybe pre-order. If I select a design of the dressing and the stool, I will order it. Really hope that I really get it. मुझे सब्र बिल्कुल नहीं होता. I still have energy left. I'm going to be painting this canvas, and I only have one left. Maybe I'll just get another canvas too. मेरे सामने लगा हुआ है, but that is red. Maybe I'll just add pink details in it, or maybe it look well with pinks. Also, I want your suggestion. Please tell me whether I should remove these or will they look good even in my room as a pink room. So yeah, I really, really like these. Honestly, this looks so good. I wanted कि पूरी wall जो है मेरी paintings की हो, but I have so many pages and paintings जो अभी इसमें नहीं लगी हुई, so I'm going to do that soon. So yeah, let's just get changed and go. I'm ready. This is the outfit that I am wearing. Ignore the mess, please. Just black pants and pink shoes. I don't want to wear makeup because I've been wearing makeup a lot lately due to the functions, festivals, outings, meetings, and all of that sort. I don't want to wear makeup today. I just want to let my skin breathe. So yeah, I'm just going to put my AirPods in and leave the house. Okay, you all, I am back home and it is currently 10:30 p.m. and I got two things. I'm going to show it to you all. It's going to be a little haul, and I got them both pink. And I think मुझे थोड़ी सी अभी रूम को भी कर लेती हूँ because बहुत सारा काम है अभी बाकी. So I think canvas आज नहीं हो पाएगा. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I'll show it to you guys. Also मैं आज fake nails लगाना चाह रही हूँ, but I was like I have to work with oil or I have to work with like oil paints. So फिर वो इधर जाता है तो it's gonna be gross. Okay guys, I got two things. So the first thing that I got is the pink sheet that I wanted. Pieces I got. I think it's separated नहीं है या है, I'm not sure. नहीं, तो इसको मैं खुद ही करूँगी. But it is so pretty. It has like flower pattern on it. Now कि ये अच्छा सा लगे, बहुत प्यारा लगे, like on my racks. Because I tell you guys, I was looking for something like this for a long time now, and I'm so happy that I got it now. And इसको बस कल ही मैं कल परसों या जब भी कर लूँगी, मैं लगाना शुरू करूँगी. छोटी बिल्ली को पकड़. The second thing that I got is this cute pink towel. It is so pretty. It has gold details on it. It's super comfy, cozy, and I just like it so much. And yeah, that was it. I got these two things. Tomorrow there are some people coming who will inspect the area and get the size and like stuff like that, measurements and stuff. And tomorrow they're going to complete my order of the dressing. I have a clear idea of what I want. Okay, it's like a table, a normal sized table. This, I think this big. Okay, my mirror is this big, so the table is like this big, and it has like a drawer, then another drawer, and in the top. You can actually, like on the top there is a mirror, so you can see from the mirror what's, like in the drawer. And like I used to see it all the time in the videos. I want this pink color because I ordered bags that you put on the wall, and they're black. I ordered them in black. Guys, my bangles now. So I'm doing it in a separate video, of course. I really forgot. I did get another thing which I forgot to show it to you all. I got the wired headphones. I got these. I have these. ये tangle भी हो गया. अभी सिर्फ गाड़ी में लेके आई हूँ मैं. tangle भी हो गया इतनी जल्दी. चलो कोई बात नहीं. White ones with some red in it. Yeah, they're super cute. Well, I am currently organizing my jewelry and basically like just my bangles because this is not okay and I have to organize. I organize this as well. I'm putting all of them, like here, and you guys will see it in the video of the room makeover. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. It is Friday, and I'm just in the kitchen making myself tea. And today is going to be a big day because I have so much things to do. Editing one video. Maybe that goes up today because yesterday I had to upload one, and today another one has to be uploaded. I look forward to it. Okay, so I am just having my tea and working on the videos. I just wanted to let you guys know that last night when I was imagining how the video that I edit today should look like, I had some really good inspiration in my mind and I was like, I have to use it. So I'm just going to go on Canva and other softwares and websites, and I'm just going to see if I can make some really cute introductions. Also, I ordered in a makeup organizer like a glass one. At least it received the message saying you're going to receive that package in an hour. Okay, the workers are coming to take the measurements of my room, and I don't know, right now it's about to be 12. They said after, before Jumma or after Jumma, but now me is saying ke शाम को आएंगे. But whatever happens, I'll just show you guys. Surprise, surprise! I am so happy. My order just came in and here it is. Open it together. On site pe I am like, should I get? But online it's like, you just have to click on a button. That's it. Something that I really wanted for a really long time. Ta-da! Can you guys see what it is? It is a makeup organizer, a glass one, 360-degree rotation, which I absolutely love. High capacity, adjustable height, multi-dimensional storage, saves counter space, easy access and organization. Yes, thank you. That is exactly why I have ordered it. Ooh, it looks so good quality. Sky loves bubble wrap, so I'm going to keep it for him. I don't know if I should assemble it today or not because I don't have the vanity yet, so it might get dusty. Maybe I will assemble it because like I cannot wait. Waiting for me is like the most difficult part. It's literally like a fact about me. I cannot wait about anything. Ooh, it's so pretty. Let's see what is inside. Oh, it is in glass. It is. I don't know if it's. I don't know. Oh, that's my bag. Okay. So we have one and we have 3 of these plates, so properly wrapped. Ooh. What is this for? I don't know how to assemble it literally. I'm two of these plates. We have this plate, the lower part, I don't know. Oh, we have these as well. Maybe some sort of connectors. Looks really elite quality, no? So these are all the pieces and I am pretty amazed with the quality. It looks really good quality, honestly. So yeah, let's look up some videos and see if I can fix it myself. Actually, these were 4 pieces and I had like quite a difficult time organizing and like joining this because it was kind of difficult. This part and these were difficult. Really, मेरे ख्याल से मुझे मुश्किल. And see how it rotates? It's so good. Okay, we have 4 of these and 4 of these slots. So it is joined by now, but I really wonder where like these go. I don't understand. Maybe ये बाहर की इधर लगेंगे ताकि ये निकले ना. I don't know. Let's just see. I believe कि ये इस तरह जाएंगे ताकि ये stable हो जाए. So let's just join. Wow. Am I not a genius? It looks so pretty. Wow, literally. But I'm not going to put my stuff on it because honestly, क्योंकि मुझे उठाना पड़ेगा फिर मेरे ख्याल से सामान हिलेगा गिरेगा. So that's not good. But yeah, it's a vibe, no? It's so pretty. Look. I am back in my room. I just had my lunch and it was so delicious. I added cheese to it. Tasted really good. I was craving cheese on that, like specific vegetable. What's it called? I don't know. It was just mixed. Something with potato and is it brinjal? Yes, something like that. To go back to editing, and I really want to do the canvas today. I really want to. Let's see if I actually do that. Also, it's currently 2 p.m. right now. Well, literally, I was flexing on how intelligent I am. Organize a certain way. I just realized that the 4 pieces that it came with, I have them upside down. Let me show you this. ठीक है? ये वाले जो pieces है ना, ये वाले, इन्हें upside down होना चाहिए. I was just looking at it और मुझे ये चीज़ realize हुई है. How can I be so stupid? Go pray now, but I'm going to fix it ASAP. Oh my god. This is how it's supposed to look like. Guys, मैं not see अभी कि इसमें क्या चेंज हुआ है, मगर ये मैंने उल्टे लगा दिए थे. ये वाली साइड नीचे हो रही थी, तो नीचे कोई सपोर्ट नहीं थी. सेम चीज़ है मगर नीचे सपोर्ट नहीं थी. तो यू नो लाइक द प्रोडक्ट्स कैन fall off. So here, it's so cool. Wow. Okay. Well, it is currently 8 p.m. and I am super hungry, but we will be having dinner in a while. People who were to come for the measurements are here, and I like kind of cleared the space. Let me show it to you all. Like I kind of cleared this area. Like they can take the measurements from here. I did so many things. I have been super productive all day. I uploaded a YouTube video. I uploaded a really cool edit on my Instagram, also on my TikTok. Plus, I uploaded a really cool video transition on my shorts as well. Happy that I got so much work done. The room is a mess. I really want to clean it, but I won't because I know कि मुझे बार-बार करना पड़ेगा. मुझे फिर भी बार-बार करना ही पड़ता because this guy फैलावा करता रहता है. अभी भी पीछे पता नहीं किस चीज़ से खेल रहा है. I have also been transferring the data from my device to my laptop and then to my drive. Currently, I was just making an intro for my YouTube, of course. We'll go do that while they take the measurements. Today is going to be another productive day, and last night the workers came and they got the measurements, but the hold to it because I wanted to go see in the market first. My room is in such a ruckus and I do not like to be in messy places because I have OCD. I cannot watch it honestly. So if I cannot visit the market once and see labels there, today I really want to do the canvas. I'm saying it every single day now, but today I really want to do the canvas. That looks like this. Okay, it has a white plain and simple shiny side, and this is the surface that you work. I have to do the canvas today. I'm getting a little late, or either I have to make two of the smaller paintings that I have to put the canvas. And the second thing that I really want to do is, like get at least one drawer done and at least one thing done because उस पे वो जो sheets वगैरह मुझे करना है. So I really want to do that. Upload a post today, which is not even done. Maybe आज मैं YouTube पे नहीं डाल पाऊँ, but I'm going to try my best. It's like 20 or 25, 27 minutes of footage, so I think I have to work hard on it. This is my second mug of the day. It is currently 1:30 p.m. I woke up at around 10 a.m. and I woke up because of an anonymous call and I got so mad. I think let's just look up some really cool inspirations for the two little paintings that I have to do because they are so pretty. I have 3 of them in my room right now. Let me show you all what I'm talking about because watercolors, when they dry down on this sort of paper, it looks so pretty. This is number 1. This is the size that I'm going to do, not this. Also, these are also the same sheets, but this is like like acrylic and oil paints. So this is the size that I want to go for. Look at it. It looks so pretty. Plus, look at that one. That is also oil water paints, and that one. Yeah, I'm super excited for the room to turn out well. And now, let's just go to Pinterest, my trusty website, and I want to search pink canvas art. Let's just go with that. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, I really want something like this in my room because this is pretty easy to do. Plus, like it has 3 sheets and 3 canvases. This is so cool. Wow. And also this is my niche. It's like this and I'm really good at it because मेरी कमरे में आपने देखा होगा इससे ज़्यादा ही है because I'm really good at these ones. All of this I can do, but I'm really good at this. So see, so many people have these designs because it's really famous. Let's just search for 2. I really want to do this one, but I wouldn't Do I have this thing? They're so pretty, honestly. Look at this, it has like gems on it. Wow, so beautiful. See, this is so pretty. This is so pretty as well. Wow, oh my god, these are just so good. Let's go with abstract. Let's see what it has. Oh, but this would look a little messy in the room. I really want to do this, honestly. Should I just do this? So pretty. Ooh. Wow. Let me just decide and then I'll tell you guys what I decided. I found two paintings that I love and oh my goodness, they are so pretty. Literally some मैं आपको बताती हूँ मेरे साथ क्या होता है. If I see something और मेरा like उस टाइम हो रहा था कि मुझे करूँ ना करूँ. If I see something that gets to me and वो मेरे दिल पे चली जाती है honestly, मैं उसी टाइम वो करने लग जाती हूँ no matter how I'm feeling. I found two of the paintings and they're literally so classy and so good. Let me just show it to you. Y'all look at this. I love panthers, I love jaguars, I love cats. This cat I am obsessed with. And the color story, it's giving. It's literally giving. I am doing it today. And you guys must have seen this pink lady because ये तो बहुत famous है, मतलब ये बहुत लोग करके रखते हैं. So I am thinking of doing this as well because it's super easy. I'm going to be doing this as well today. Honestly, मेरे पास और कुछ paintings हैं जो मैंने करके रखी हुई हैं and those will go really well in the room. So I think we should get started with it right now. Okay, y'all, I made 3 of them. There's one left. और उसके बाद भी बना सकते हैं more sheets, but I made 3 of them. And since I want them to be pretty perfect and like size उनकी बिल्कुल ठीक हो, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a cutter and fix the sides so that the paints. I am going to be using these are oil paints and they work with oil. I'm going to be using these. These are from Mary's, but I have this one. Ouch. This is from, I don't know. This is a poster color, but I can use this. This pink is really pretty because I'm not going to be using water paints because water paints मेरे पास इतना प्यारा वाला pink नहीं है. So let's just see what I do. I'm definitely going to be trying out some of this. Just got done fixing the sides of these. और जितनी मुझे मैंने कर ली. So yes, I'm just going to start with the pink lady first because उसमें पहले पूरे paper को ना पूरे sheet को पहले paint से fill करना होगा. So I think उसे करके दूसरा वाले पे I can get started. This poster paint is now working on this paper. Let me show it to you all. It's vanishing literally. I see I painted here properly and it vanished. Painted here properly and vanished. So now what? Let's just try to do it all and then we can see कि पीछे क्या बचता है. Okay. So the paint is drying down and it kind of looks like this light pink shade now. And I remember कि जब इसको पहली दफ़ा यूज़ किया था ना आपने, okay, guys see that? ये वाला भी इससे, ये जो पीछे है ना bears वाला, ये इससे ही बना हुआ. So now I'm just going to start with this one. So this looks actually really good. I did not expect कि इतना प्यारा लगेगा. So I'm thinking of doing the same color again because ये match भी हो जाएगा, so it will look like, you know, like a good collection. So I'm done with the layout. I'm just going to get it done
and I'm just going to paint it pink.
Well, I just had my lunch. I have some drink. I see it. Everything looks so good in these cups.
I'm done with these two, this and this. This is a little bit, funky from here. But anyways, it's really pretty and cool. And this one turned out to be elite. It was super easy to do, super fun. Here's the entire painting was full. And I'm just going to go and pray.
Currently 6:30 p.m. and I was about to do the third painting after praying, but I just wanted to quickly come on here and say okay, I was discussing about the vanity again, and I don't like any of it. Some of them are really expensive. Ones that I like are very expensive. Like literally they are crossing all the limits. Are affordable, are not good quality, and I was thinking I already have two tables and two furniture spots, two furnitures in my room already. So I think we ordered in racks, but I think I should make this one pink, and I think I should use it. What if with the racks it looks really good? So I think I'm just going to bring it back here. Oh my god, it is so tough to move furniture on this floor because it's some sort of different material. I'm not going to look for the furniture anymore because I have already ordered in so much and I have already spent so much money already. So I think I'm just going to stop and maybe utilize the ones that I already have. I'm done with all of them. Do they not look really classy? Honestly, मैं इसका यही वाला सीक्वेंस इसको इधर और इसको बीच में इस साइड पे करने का सोच रही हूँ. Look at it. I mean, it is so कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. It looks really good. Now it's gonna go up on the wall and it's gonna look really good. I wish it had like backgrounds, but whatever. Now I have my glass refilled. It's time to clean this and wrap it up. It looks really old-fashioned, and I mean I don't mean it in the vintage or retro style. It looks really old-fashioned. I don't even want to show it to you guys, but let me just give you a peek. Look at it. Oh my god, it looks so bad. The kind of thing that I hate the most. Well there guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Currently almost 1 a.m. in the morning and I just got free. I'm going to start organizing the makeup here from tomorrow inshallah. Plus I loved the paintings. It was a really productive day. But I'm kind of sad that I couldn't, arrange the vanity because I really wanted to buy it, but there was some problem with, the seller. So many things, are going on. But still, I think it's for the best. If I didn't get it, it must be for the best. So I totally believe in that. From tomorrow, inshallah, I'm going to start setting up my makeup, and that rack is for heels, so I'm super excited to display my heels because I love heels so much. And yeah, I am just going to watch The Glory now. I started this new K-drama and it's a bomb, but I'm just going to watch that, watch some vlogs, maybe watch Are You Sure episode 4 वो कल आ गई थी. And oh my god, honestly परसों आई थी वो, मेरे ख्याल से परसों आई थी. Guys really mean the world to me, and thank you so much for supporting. Yeah, until next time, thank you so much for watching. Good night.